Hi, I'm Xuelian Li. Now I'm doing the homework for the first question. And the first question is that find and draw CDF and PDF f of y respectively in terms of capital F of x and f of x. And the y is the given condition of y. And I just scratch it like this. So at first let we solve the PDF of y first. At y equals -1, like here, we can know that if y equals -1, then x greater than 2. So the probability y equals -1 equals probability of x greater than 2, and it equals 1 minus probability x smaller than 2. And it equals, again, 1 minus capital F of x and 2. And the same with g equals -1, like at g equals 2 and g equals 0, we can get this like this respectively. And the most important part is at y equals -x plus 1. And from this formula, we can get the PDF of fy. It equals fx of -y plus 1. And the f of y is the PDF of f of y. Just need to put this into the function like this one, so we can easily get f of y. And the scratch like this. And the CDF of y is when when y smaller than -1. From the scratch, we can know that if y smaller than -1, the f of y equals 0, and if it bigger than 2, the f of y equals 1. So we just need to analyze the function from -1 to 2. And in -1, between -1 and 2, there need two situations, like -1 to 0 and 0 to 2. So the first, let us find out the function y from -1 to 0. It's the formula that we can get f of y. And from the infinite to y, we need to separate it into two parts, like infinite to -1 and -1 to y. And in the first situation, infinite to -1, integral f of y dy, it means that we can know that it just equals fy, a probability from y smaller than -1. And if from this scratch, we can know that when y smaller than -1, then x is bigger than 2. So it equals probability x bigger than 2. So it equals 1 minus fx of 2. Just put the number into this, and then plus the integral -1 to y of this function, and just solve it. We can cancel fx2, and because there is minus fx of 2 and this is plus fx of 2, so they can be cancelled. So the for -1 to 0, and the function is 1 minus fx of minus y plus 1. And the second situation is y from 0 to 2. We can, from the scratch, we can know that when y from 0 to 2, it easily can get the fx always equals 0. So the city of the function is 1 minus fx of 0. And so yeah, that's the f of the PDF of y. And just put it into Scratch, and the picture is like that. So that's okay.